So, dear sister Sheila Tilki, the manager, dear sir, the ex-minister of welfare, Sir Mevar Jamatia, my dear sisters, teachers, and all my dear children, a very good morning to you all. Good morning, sister. Today, as we have welcomed and said that it is a real rare chance that we have got to have our, one of our Catholics from our parish who has studied in this school and had become a minister, and he is very helpful to us. So many good things he is willing to do. Already he has done and he is continuing to do for us. Today I welcome him to speak to us and to motivate you all, especially the children who are studying in this school. You will be more inspired by his speech because he is the person who studied in this school and has become a great person, minister, who is helping the society, your society. Therefore, we are very glad and we shall listen to him attentively, whatever he speaks, and take it to heart through our mind so that we shall keep it longer till the end of our life in order to fulfill our goal that we have, each one of us. Thus, we may edify like him, others also, and inspire others to come up in life.
I study here up to class 4, I think I studied. Then 5, up to 5. Then class 6, I went to Giant Hill Women's School, Teliamura, Twithampui. From there, I studied class 7, 8. Then I went to Shillong. Shillong, I stayed 10 years. I completed my matriculation, which is CBSE board. I went to college and the university. Came back. Because I will tell detailed notes. First of all, he's a human being. Student, teacher, everybody. First, what do we need? Tell me. You need money? You need power? You need education? What do you need? Anybody can tell? First, what do we need as a human being? We need money, we need power, we need education. Anybody can tell me? First, what do we need? Even teachers, even sisters. No. If anybody can tell, I'll give 1,000 rupees. Somehow very near, very close.
Respect.
For every human being.
Respect.
Yes, very close. Okay, I'll not waste time. We need peace in mind. Without peace in mind, you cannot do anything. You may be a student, you may be poor, you may be rich, you may be leader, minister. Every human being, first of all, will have to acquire, to achieve peace in mind. Because how to create it, now we think, how can I get peace in mind? With quarreling with others? With stealing something? With telling lies? Or getting more money? First, we have to find out how to get peace in mind. Not with money, not with power, not with education. Very, very important. Sini singo, serai pun apa pun, bekas sangat tuan. Bekas sangat jiwa yang kaya, kacau mengkering kaya, menjaga sama sekali, menjaga sama sekali.